What's up, guys? Welcome back to the studio. It's day 7 of the Wilcoxon Challenge, and I've got solo number 7 lined up for you guys. For those of you who haven't seen the other videos, I'm challenging myself to play every solo out of Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. It's his rudimental snare drum book that has 150 short solos in it, and I'm going to play one every day until I finish the book. If you want to purchase the book, and I would highly recommend it, I'll put the link in the description below. You can find it on alfred.com or you can find it on Amazon. Today, I'm going to follow the same routine I've been following. I'm going to play it at 3 different tempos, slow, medium, fast, and I'm also going to play it off the right and off the left. Let's get into it. The first tempo today is 92 beats per minute. Let's do this. The second tempo today is 108 beats per minute, and we're going to play this one off the left. Here we go. I did one foam in there, but all right, close enough. The final tempo for today is 120 beats per minute, and we're going to play this one back off the right. Let's try it. Okay, so that was solo number 7. I've got 143 of these left to go, so keep on tuning in. Hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.